This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Yealink Optima HD IP conference phone, model CP960. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Inside we have the quick start guide. These spots are for the optional wireless microphones that you can get. Here is the conference phone itself. And you get a network cable, 7.5 meters. Clear these out of the way. So you will notice that this does not come with a power cord. So in order for it to work, you would have to get the YL PoE30 PoE adapter. You can't use a traditional PoE switch to power this because this is some bizarre 54 volt 0.56 amp adapter. So just make sure you buy this if you were getting this specific phone. So I will plug it in so we can boot it up, see what happens. But here's the phone itself real quick. So you have a USB port, micro USB port, one mic port, the other mic port, the Ethernet port, another USB port, and I think I got it all. Nope. You have the Kensington lock and the optional speaker out port over here. So here's the phone itself. You can mute the mics on the sides. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in and see what it does. So while we're waiting for it to boot up, not sure how bad the reflection is going to be. The range on the mics for this is about 20 feet, 360 degrees. The speaker is 10 watts. This is based off Android 5.1, the OS on it, a 720 by 1280 inch, 720 by 1280 screen. It also has integrated Wi-Fi if you wanted to use it that way. In this scenario that would work since I'm just powering it right now. You can set it up to the wireless here and everything would be good. So let's give it a sec, see what it does on the boot up. So there's the UI itself. It's a touch screen. You can add one VoIP account to this. Go into settings. So it's basically Android if you've used it before. So there you have it. I might do a video on setting this up after the fact, all the different options in the screen like that and whatnot. But for the most part, if you're looking for a HD quality conference phone with optional wireless mics and everything, this is definitely something you should consider. So once again, that was the Intellibeam unboxing for the Yealink CP960 by Intellibeam, technology of tomorrow, today.